Think you're clean? You might be wrong. Most people believe that a daily shower and fresh clothes are enough to stay hygienic and healthy. But the truth is, there are tiny mistakes in your daily hygiene routine that can secretly make you sick, from your toothbrush to your towel, from your phone to your pillowcase. Every item around you can carry hidden germs, bacteria, and toxins that weaken your immune system. Today, you'll learn 10 common hygiene mistakes that almost everyone makes and how to fix them naturally. Before we start, here is one line that could save your health. Your body isn't getting sick out of nowhere. It's your habits that are silently feeding bacteria. Let's uncover these hygiene traps one by one and how to stay truly clean the natural way. The first mistake, reusing towels for too long. Towels are damp, warm, and full of dead skin, the perfect breeding ground for bacteria. When you use the same towel for days, you're wiping germs back onto your clean skin. The solution, wash bath towels every 2 to 3 uses and dry them in sunlight if possible. Sunlight naturally kills bacteria and leaves a fresh scent that no detergent can replace. The second mistake, touching your face frequently. You might not notice it, but people touch their faces hundreds of times a day after handling phones, door handles, and money. All that bacteria ends up on your skin, leading to acne, rashes, and infections. The natural solution, keep a pack of wet wipes or rose water mist nearby, and wash your hands regularly, especially before meals or touching your face. The third mistake, skipping tongue cleaning. Even if you brush twice a day, ignoring your tongue means leaving behind bacteria that cause bad breath, plaque, and even digestive issues. Use a copper or stainless steel tongue cleaner every morning. Ayurveda says that cleaning your tongue not only removes toxins, but also activates taste buds, improving digestion and immunity. The fourth mistake, not washing hands after using your mobile phone. Studies show that your smartphone can carry more bacteria than a toilet seat. Every time you touch it and then eat or touch your eyes, you risk infection. The fix is simple. Clean your phone screen daily using a soft cloth with a little alcohol-based sanitizer or disinfectant wipes, and avoid taking your phone into the bathroom. The fifth mistake, not replacing your toothbrush regularly. Many people keep using the same toothbrush for months. Over time, it collects bacteria, especially if stored wet or uncovered. Replace it every 3 months and rinse it with warm water after every use. You can even soak it in a mild saltwater solution once a week to naturally disinfect it. The sixth mistake, sleeping on dirty pillowcases. Pillowcases absorb oil, sweat, and bacteria from your face and hair every night. If you don't wash them weekly, you're basically pressing your skin against a germ field for 8 hours. The solution, wash pillowcases once a week and choose natural cotton or bamboo fabric. They're rebreathable and less likely to trap bacteria. The seventh mistake, not cleaning your reusable water bottle properly. Many people just rinse it and refill. But bacteria thrive in moisture. Wash it daily with hot water and baking soda or lemon. These natural cleaners kill odor-causing germs without harsh chemicals. The eighth mistake, overusing antibacterial products. Yes, they kill bacteria, but they also kill the good ones that protect your skin's microbiome. Constantly using antibacterial soap or sanitizer can make your skin dry and more prone to infection. The natural fix is to use mild herbal soaps with neem, aloe vera, or tea tree oil. They clean without stripping natural oils. The ninth mistake, ignoring your nails. Germs hide under nails and spread easily while eating or scratching. Trim your nails weekly and clean them with a soft brush. Use a little coconut oil afterward to keep cuticles healthy. Coconut oil also has natural antibacterial properties. The 10th mistake, not washing fruits and vegetables properly. Many people just rinse them quickly, but pesticides and germs can stay on the surface. Soak your fruits and veggies for 15 minutes in a natural wash to 1 tablespoon vinegar and 1 teaspoon baking soda in a bowl of water. Rinse well before eating. Now that you know these 10 hygiene mistakes, let's talk about the hidden problem behind them. Most people confuse looking clean with being clean. Hygiene is not about fancy soaps or perfumes. It's about eliminating germs and maintaining natural balance in your body and surroundings. When bacteria grow on your everyday items, they enter through your skin, mouth, or nose, causing fatigue, allergies, and even chronic illness. So, what's the solution? Start small. Choose one habit today and fix it. Maybe it's your towel, your phone, or your toothbrush. Replace synthetic products with natural alternatives: sunlight, lemon, salt water, vinegar, and herbal soaps. These old-fashioned remedies work because they support your body's natural defenses instead of fighting against them. Here are some natural hygiene remedies and tips to stay healthy and fresh every day. Keep your bathroom ventilated. Mold grows in damp spaces. Add a few drops of tea tree oil in your laundry to kill bacteria naturally. Use neem or tulsi leaves in your bathwater once a week to detox the skin. Change bedsheets every 7 days or more often in humid weather. Use bamboo or cotton hand towels. They dry faster and resist bacteria. Always keep your toothbrushes covered and stored separately for each family member. Clean your earphones and glasses once a week. They collect skin oils and dust. Golden health tip: hygiene is not about smelling good. It's about staying free from disease. When your hygiene improves, your energy, skin, and immunity improve too. Nature already provides everything we need to stay clean: sunlight, water, salt, and herbs. You just have to use them wisely. Before we end, here's something to think about. We live in a world obsessed with external beauty, but real cleanliness comes from daily discipline. A person who maintains small hygiene habits not only avoids illness, but also builds a confident and positive aura. If you want to boost your health naturally, avoid chemical-heavy products and return to the basics: water, sunlight, and good habits. Remember, small hygiene changes lead to big health transformations. And here's your final call to action. If you learned something new today, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with your friends and family. Someone you love might be making these mistakes too. For more golden health tips, natural remedies, and wellness guides, make sure to visit our channel and watch our other videos. Stay clean, stay healthy, and remember, being truly clean means living in harmony with nature. Your body will thank you for it every single day.